Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Weverse app. You go to settings. Here in this page, you go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, you search about the application of Indeed. Of Weverse like this. You search about Weverse app, then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.